Hello, and thank you for stopping by. My name is Emmanuel Jonathan. I welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. It helps YouTube to see that this video is helpful. That is, if the video is helpful anyway, but I'm sure the video is going to be helpful to you. So, in this very short video, I want to show you how to create your custom email. And then to do that is very simple. Your site will either be hosted with cPanel or direct admin, whichever one your site is being hosted with. If it's cPanel, just go to your site forward slash cPanel. But this site is not hosted with cPanel. If your site is on cPanel, just do this. Ask your web hosting company, they'll tell you that this site is hosted with direct admin. So I'm going to access that and then wait for that to open. Okay, so it's opening. It's kind of slow. The network has been a bit slow at my end, so please be patient with that. So once this open, you put your username and your password, and then you sign in. So I'm going to do that and then come back to the video when I've signed in. Okay, so once you get logged in, you just go to where you have emails. It's somewhere, email account under email manager. So you see all the emails you've created before, and then I'm going to create a new one. Just click on create new, and that's that. The username is the name you want to use. Let me just say Isaac. Let me call this Isaac. So this is going to be Isaac at javiconcepts.com. And password, let me put something as a password. Sorry, I'm not going to share that with you. Okay, you can also use their password generator and get a strong password. All right, then you can clean the eye to see your password in case you're not sure. For the quota, I have 50 MB there. You can make it maximum, so it's unlimited. And then sending can also be maximum. Okay, so if that, you can leave it at 50 or you can change it to 100. All you need to do is to click on create account. The moment you click on create account, they send you the details. They also show you the password. The password I didn't want to show you. Okay, it's a test account anyway, so this won't go after now. And then they give you your SMTP server for incoming and outgoing emails. Now, if you want to check this mail, all you need to do is to go to the domain name, your website name forward slash webmail is all you need to do. When you do this, it will take you to where you're going to put the email and password and then check the mail. Okay, so that's it. So I'll say Isaac at derbyconcepts.com, and here, okay, put the password here, and then you click on login. Once you do this, it will log you in. You can send email like your regular email, Gmail or Yahoo Mail. You can send email. You can read email. It's logged in now. And as you can see, no message. List is empty. I do not have any message. I can compose one and send to whoever I want to send to. So this is how to create an email, a custom email for your web domain. And this is also how to check it. I'm sure you've gotten value from this video. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you'll get more of such beautiful and amazing content. So if I'm sending an email, I'll just put the um, email I'm sending, the recipient's email here. Of course, put my subject. I can add more. I can do the blind copy and all of that. I can also add an image. I can do all of this. I can add an attachment here, but I'm not adding an attachment. You can ask for a return receipt when the person opens the mail. You can check delivery status. Once the person opens the mail and the mail is delivered, it will, tell you, to alert you. That's the beauty of using custom mail. Gmail won't give you this. Gmail won't give you all these features. So that's that. If you have any question, please, you can ask in the comments or you can send me an email and I will attend to it. Cheers. See you in my other video. Bye.